Hi, welcome back, guys. Today we are talking about how to record your voice in Audacity software. As you know, Audacity is a free software which is used to edit your audio file, or you can record your voice by using Audacity software. So how you can do this? So keep watching the complete video. I will show you simple and easy method through which you can easily record your audio file in through which you can easily record your voice in Audacity software. So open your Audacity software, and here you can see that is a recording button. So if you click on it, you will be able to record your voice. So how can we do this? First of all, I will click on it. Hi, welcome back, guys. Today we are talking about how to record your voice in Audacity software. After that, you will click on it, and here we can see that our audio recording is recorded, our voice is recorded. So we will click on play button to listen our audio file. Hi, welcome back, guys. Today we are talking about how to record your voice in Audacity software. After that, you will click on it. So this is our recorded voice, and you can improve its sound quality by going to effects and apply different effects on it, and in this way you can enhance its audio quality. So if you want to record your voice in Audacity software, you will click on recording button. When you're done with the recording, then when you're done with the recording, after that you will click on this stop button. So your voice recording will automatically stop in Audacity, and after that you can play your Audacity, or after that you can play your file, or you can apply different effects on it. You can trim your audio or fade in fade out effects by going to effects menu and apply these effects on your voice recording. So this is a simple and easy method. You can record your voice in Audacity software. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to the channel and press bell icon for more videos. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.